So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about more tools. Please go subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's get started. As yesterday we last time we learned about the shapes and all. I give you overview. Today we will be studying about the line segment. It's the line. If you wanna draw free fall, you can draw it. If you press shift, you will get a straight line. Simply, if you press alter, you will get a you will get a free fall line like this. So next one is the arc tool. Arc tool, if you wanna create any arc like this, you can create by this. If you press shift, you will get a perfect arc like this. To press alter, same, you will be getting like this. Now it's the spanner tool. The spanner tool are mostly used for the vintage stuff, vintage logos and like this, or if you want to create a current like this. Basically, these are not such useful tools because these are more useful for the daily basis and all. Um, I will be telling you which tools are used for the daily basis and you will be knowing the time to time. So let's get back to the work. These are for now we have rectangular grid tool. These are mostly used for the graphs, charts, or create like this. Now we have a polar grid tool. Polar grid tools mostly used for the infographic or if you want to create the trend. Now we come to the text tool. Text tool is basically if you want to write anything text. If you write like this, you will get many types of fonts here. One thing I want to tell you is you can download free fonts from Google. There are many websites that provide you free fonts. You can download, go, and you can download any of many types of regular thing. These are the types of this font. You can change its size, like you can increase, decrease. Now we have area type tool. First I will create a shape. Get to understand about this tool. These are some objects I have created just to make you understand better. Now, if you write, see the area type tool is basically used in the object. If this is like this is the object, and if you press here, you will be writing this. If you press it on the path, you will be writing inside the shape like this. This is the path because this will be in this tool you will be writing on the path of this object. One thing I want to tell you is if you want to write inside of the object, simply just do this, drag this, click this arrow and drag inside it. You will be writing very simple. Now coming to the next one, vertically tap tool. This tool writes vertically inside object. Coming to the next one, you have vertical area tab. It's same like this, but vertically inside the object. Coming to the next one, you have vertical type on part. You will be writing vertically on the part of this object. Now touch tab tool. This tool helps to select any text like this. Nothing like that. So this was the text tab. Now you have paintbrush tool. You can be writing anything, painting brush like this. One thing I want to tell you is you have many options from here. If you click this, you have options to write like this. Now block brush tool, it's fat brush. You can paint and you can do anything like this on this. The rest I will be telling you on the next tutorial, but one thing I want to tell you is one thing I want to tell you like this I have selected eyedropper. Its shortcut is I. Now one thing I want to tell you is this measurement tool. Measurement tool helps to select the same colors. Like if I select this both will be selected like this. Selects these like this, and there's lasso tool. Lasso tools also have used for like measurement tool, but if you select a line like this, then it will be selecting the object, same object like this, like this. So guys, today's tutorial was only for these tools. Rest I will be telling on the next tutorial. So do let me know on the comment section if you have any problem. Do let me know. I will help you out on the next video. Please follow, subscribe, and share my videos to get, and also click the bell icon to get notified on my every video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.